Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Anita and I'm here again to show you more products. So remember, as I say, I always have good deals, good discounts, good offer for you. So please stay with me this whole hour. And remember, today I have great deals to show you. Have a look. I have different type of brown, different type of cleaners. So everything is super convenient for you to buy it today, guys. So stay with me this hour, be pending. Today I'm gonna give you so many discounts. I'm gonna give you great deals today. So pay attention. Remember, every time you see me in your videos, you are going to have discounts, you're going to have great gifts, you're going to have many good deals and products, discount, everything. So guys, today I'm gonna have these products and I'm gonna explain you how to use it, how to install it, what is that good for, and I might give you some advices why not. So remember, these products are super cool. It is really practical and convenient to use. So remember, just stay with me and have a look. I'm gonna show you more products, which is super cool. I like it so much. So let's get started. So today I have my #1 product, which is this one. Have a look. You might have seen this product before, I guess, right? I have something similar in my house, but when I was looking at this product, I was really surprised by the material here. You can see it is like a sponge material. I find it super light. It is super light, so you can just use it with one hand. It's super comfortable. You will not have any pain on your back. It is really practical to use. And right here, it is super soft. It also has like a sponge material, so whenever you clean the floor, this one is gonna be so comfortable. It's not hard as this part. Here is too soft, which is amazing. So also here you have something to hang it. So maybe you have it on the toilet and you can just hang it, which is super convenient and it's really nice. But guys, this is not everything. Here you have more useful things about this one. So one of the things I like the most is the sponge material here. Why is the sponge material? Because it has like air inside and it helps a lot to dry quickly. I have something similar, but it doesn't have these holes, and usually in my house I have many problems. It doesn't dry quickly and sometimes it has a bad smell. But this one is totally different. This one, if you use it, you're gonna have this sponge quickly dry and it's gonna be super convenient and really easy for you to clean the floor and to clean also this part, which is super cool. So one more thing that you have, you can basically adjust the size. Have a look. You can make it that big, look at my size, and you can make it that long, or you can even make it shorter like that. And how to adjust it, just move it and you're gonna properly adjust it. So right here, what you have is the option to dry the sponge. So let's say you were cleaning the floor, it is already full of water, so just press here and you're gonna see the water will squeeze and the sponge will be dry quickly, which is something what I like this product so much and I find it super useful, super convenient. What else we have? Have a look. I will show you right now. I have this part. This one is to clean the hard surfaces on the floor. Maybe there is some like dry chocolate or dry stains on the floor, which is really hard to remove. This one, as you can see guys, is super hard and it's gonna be super convenient guys for you to clean any other piece that you see. It's really hard, you see? You can hear the sound. It is a really hard plastic, which I find is super useful. Look, it's so hard, it is so nice, super convenient. So So this one you can actually remove it. Just let me remove it so I can show you. So here you go, guys. So basically right here you have this part that will help you also to clean maybe a mirror, a window. Look at that, is the material that will help to clean properly the surfaces, which will make everything really clean, which is super cool. So right here, as I say, here you can see you have this part that will help to clean the hard parts of the floor. For example, we have something dry, like maybe chocolate who was there dry for a long time. So this one will remove it really quick, because I can tell you it's really hard. The material is super hard and it's really convenient. So this is something unique about this product, and let me just show you here. As I said before, this one just press it here and you can squeeze the water. So let me show you now how to use this product. So I'm gonna just put some water, and you can see how it dries. So I just put some water right here. You can see the food is wet. I'm going to give you an example on how this thing works perfectly. So you have it here, you dry. You see it already absorbed the water. It is super convenient, it's super good. And what you do with this function is basically just put back the water. You see it's leaking again. And you do it one more time to make it super dry, and that's it, guys. It is super convenient. It is really good to use, and something good as well is that you can adjust it and make it as tall as you. So usually I clean properly, and I'm not, bending my back. I don't suffer any pain. It is super comfortable, and it's really easy to use. I just want to clean my house. It is super convenient, and it's really nice, guys. So this one, just let me check. I will show you all the price. Today, guys, if you want to get this one, you can have a 20% of discount. So, look, you're going to have a great deal today. Normally, the price is $23.88. $23.88. But today, if you get it today, remember, we will give you a discount. So today, you're going to have a 20% of discount. Remember, this one is super useful. And this one is what makes this product special. The sponge that you have here, it makes the product special because it is different. I'm pretty sure you haven't seen something like this before. It is a different kind of material, and it's really, really practical to use. I see the sponge right here, and it helps quickly. It really helps quickly. And this is a problem that I have in my house. I have the other type, which is not really convenient, it's not good. And sometimes, when I don't dry it properly, it gets smelly. But this one, no, you will not have this problem again with this sponge. This is the reason why this sponge was specially designed to avoid this kind of situation. So as I said, it's super convenient, you can hang it, and you will not have any problem, which is super cool. So guys, remember, for this beautiful one product, you will have a 20% of discount today. Remember, today we are giving you a 20% of discount, which is a great deal. And something else that you can do, for example, with this one, usually when you clean the floor, you're gonna find some hair or some rest of trash here. So this one also, why not, you can remove the hair and just take out the rest and just trash it, which is super convenient and super cool. The material, it is really good. I like the feeling. I find it to be super safe. Yeah, oh look, super safe. It doesn't have any like a pinching part that will hurt my hand. It is really soft, and especially this part, I like it so much. It is a really nice feeling, and I love the fact that it has like a sponge here, so it's super comfortable, guys. It is really comfortable, so you can just clean everything. I'm gonna clean properly my floor here, and I love this size, so you can make it smaller, you can adjust it to different sizes, which is really, really cool. So look at that, you have different sizes. And one more time, let me show you how to get rid of the water this way. So guys, remember, I have the same one at home. I love it already, but today I found this product which has and different design, different parts, which is amazing, and I think this one will be much more useful for me. So yeah, I would love to have this product, and I strongly suggest you to order this one, guys. We can deliver it to your house, and it is a great deal, guys. So today you can get this product with a 20% off discount, which is a great deal. So remember, 20% off discount. Get it today during the live stream video, and you will have your discount. So that one was my first product of the day. I'm gonna go through with the next one. So guys, right now I'm doing a live video with you. If you have any question or if you would like to know something else about any product that I'm showing you today, just write a comment. I'm online with you. I will be commenting on your comments. So if you would like to know something else, please text me, write a message, write a comment in the option below. I'm here doing the live video for you, and I will answer your questions. And let's go